Most people get this wrong when they look at credit builder tools like Cleo. They assume it is a normal credit card that instantly improves your credit score. That is not how it works. Here's the truth no one tells you. The Cleo Credit Builder card is not a traditional credit card. It is a structured credit building tool designed to help beginners build or repair credit history through controlled spending and reporting. In this video you'll learn how it actually works in 2026, who should use it, and whether it is really worth it compared to other credit builder options. Let's break it down step by step. First, understand the core idea. Credit builder products exist for people who either have no credit history or a low credit score. Instead of giving you a large credit limit, they give you controlled spending behavior that gets reported to credit bureaus. Now here's where most people fail. They think using it like a normal credit card will speed things up. But credit building is not about spending more. It is about consistent, responsible usage over time. Let's take an example. John is new to credit in the UK. He gets the Cleo Credit Builder card and uses it for small monthly expenses like groceries and subscriptions. He pays on time every month. Over time, his credit profile slowly strengthens because his payment history becomes more stable. Now here's where it gets interesting. The Cleo system works by linking spending habits with automatic repayments. This reduces the risk of missed payments, which is one of the biggest credit score killers. But here's the problem many beginners face. They expect fast results. Credit building is slow. You usually need several months of consistent activity before you see meaningful improvements. So how does it actually work in practice? Step 1 is signing up through the Cleo app and getting approved for the Credit Builder feature based on eligibility. Step 2 is using the card for small, predictable monthly spending. The key is not overusing it. Step 3 is ensuring automatic repayment is enabled, so your balance is paid on time every month. Step 4 is monitoring your credit report over time to track improvement. Now, here's the key insight. The Cleo Credit Builder card is not designed to replace normal credit cards. It is designed to build the foundation so you can qualify for better financial products later. So is it worth it? If you are new to credit or trying to rebuild your score, it can be useful because it simplifies repayment behavior. But if you already have strong credit history, it adds little value. To wrap it up, credit building in 2026 is all about consistency, not shortcuts. Tools like Cleo can help, but only if you use them correctly and stay disciplined. If you want more clear breakdowns like this, like the video, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more practical finance guides.